Yeah, today we're gonna be making a holiday ice rink with snow and crystals for my dolls. Stay tuned. And the things you're going to need are white paint, silver paint, crystals, and any glue you want. Some cotton for the edges, a paintbrush, and cardboard, and some tape to cover up the holes. Okay, the first thing I want to do is take a box, take a box that's like about this big, and cut off the stuff you don't like. Be careful too. Okay, and if there's any holes, you're going to want to tape it up like us. Tape it up right here. So the glue doesn't go through. I mean the paint. I was right. Okay, now we're gonna paint it white, but and then you can go over with glitter or silver paint. What's silver paint? Okay, now we're going to do a little designs like I see at the ice rink from all the hockey players. I'm gonna actually do this pretty one. Like them going in the circles. Like that. And then I'm going to do these hockey players. I'm going to do little lines. Like that. Okay, after you add all your designs, you're going to add some scenery. So some cotton balls for the snow and some jewels for some pieces of ice, like it's the tradition. That's okay. And all you gonna have is a little dupe, like it's just little dupe like that. And that's all you're going to want to need. Then, you're going to have to... I actually like to do it out of the way, but... So, oops! I moved the camera! How dare myself! Then you're just going to want to stick it like that. Okay, now we're going to do some crystals. Take one, put it like that. Then just... Lost in a dash. Now we're going to stick it on. Not all over the place. Actually, that's good. You can like put on snow. And actually, I'm going to save some snow so I can make snowballs for my dogs. Okay, now that our ice rink has dried, we're going to now go ahead and play with it. Let's test it out. And then these buckets are for, because my mommy takes me to the ice rink, and we always have those buckets. I didn't learn to skate yet. And they're they're little medicines, little cups that we can do. Oh, and this is cool. Of the skater leans on and holds on. Watch when I move the bucket and moves her. Whee! Let's try without the bucket. Oh, you can always stay here. That's the rule. To that line, you can always stay there. because the professional skaters go really fast, so they have to get a little small space. Let's try it. Wow! Thank y'all for watching. Bye! Bye-bye. Okay, let's bye-bye.